Let's look at aosu security cameras. Solar-powered, wireless, and no subscription needed. It comes with one home base, two 360-degree solar cameras, two mounting brackets, two charging cables, expansion screws, positioning stickers, and instructions. It comes with 32 gigabytes of local storage and up to 2K resolution, pan and tilt, automatic tracking, color night vision, 120 decibel siren, and a two-way audio functionality. Check the link in the description for more info and where to buy it. It's a beautiful design and the build quality feels top-notch. Here's everything you get in the box. Plug in the power to the home base and the Ethernet cable, which will be connected to your router. Then turn on each camera by pressing the power button down for 3 seconds.
Hello.
Now download the free aosu app and follow the installation steps. From the app, you can now remote control the cameras from your phone, as well as change settings, record on and off, turn on lights and off, activate Siren Alarm, or use the two-way audio to listen and to speak. I was extremely impressed at how easy it is to set up and use. Everything is pretty much plug and play and you can control it all from your phone. You can choose to multi-view all the cameras at the same time or enlarge just one at a time. The solar power is incredibly efficient as it keeps the camera powered up all day long and night. I still had 90% to 100% power after using it all day and night. The night vision works brilliantly and you can even turn on the lights so that you get full color night vision. There is also a motion activation option that starts recording when motion is detected, or when you are away from home, you can activate the cameras to send out a warning through the speakers to anyone that comes in proximity to your cameras. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, extremely high-quality, versatile, solar-powered wireless home security system, I recommend aosu. Check the link in the description for more info and where to get it. And please like and share and subscribe to support my channel so that I can make more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time.